Hi, I want to show you the Bighorn kitchen and give you a little preview of all the storage it has to offer. It's the wine bar and coffee bar over here, and here's like the main kitchen area. It has so many drawers. Only in the island is 3 of them, and they're pretty big. Over here, more drawers, all the little guys. And here, one of my favorite things is a pull-out for all your oils and spices, close to when you're cooking. It has a pull-out trash drawer, and also 5 of these giant big upper cabinets all the way up. In the bar, there's an everything drawer full of stuff already, just like everything drawer should be, and a pull-out pantry. Underneath there is even more storage. And one of my favorite things we added is this little flip-up bar countertop on the island. So you can sit there, or you can use it for cooking. Anyways, this is the short tour of the Bighorn kitchen.